Hello, and welcome to another episode of Airsie. Today we're going to try another type of Lego, one that I have not built before. This is one of the architecture sets. So this particular one is the White House, but they have other sets that do iconic buildings, city skylines, different things like that. I'm excited. This is set 21006. There are a couple of White Houses. This is the smaller one, and I'm excited to try my first architecture set. Let's see how it goes. Welcome back. I finished building the Lego Architecture White House number 21006. So here's my review. When I was building it, it's very symmetrical. There is lots of what you do on this side, you do on that side. And so in terms of that, it was pretty easy. So you can see there's the White House. Here's the back portico. It has a few details in it. So it's got a little light that hangs down inside there. On the front, there's like a little flag. As you can see, it's just a white piece right now. So this set was rated as 12 and up, and I would say that it was a little bit more difficult. There were some fine motor parts of it that were a challenge for me. And so this is definitely not a set for younger children. You do have to read the instructions carefully. There were parts I had to go back and redo because I had missed a detail in the instructions. And so it was a little frustrating, and then there was just some parts that even for me were feeling a little bit frustrating. So I enjoyed it. In terms of value for the money, I think if you are an adult who enjoys building things that are iconic and recognizable, maybe places you visited, things like that, this would be really cool to have. In terms of ease of play, there's not really any play with this at all. It's just simply to build and then to look at and enjoy what you have built and what the familiarity of the White House. In terms of ease of build, it was moderately easy, not incredibly difficult, but it wasn't super easy. So again, definitely for older kids, 12 and up at least, with an understanding that you might get frustrated at certain parts. But there were some other things about this set that sets it apart from a regular Lego set in that it has, for example, a nameplate. So I don't know if you can see right here, it says the White House. Also, in the instruction book, it has, before you get to the building part, it has information about who built it, about Washington, D.C., the design, the history. It has lots of pieces like that, facts about it. And then as you go through, it even has little pieces on individual pages that talks about maybe some renovations that were done or when things were added. And at the end, it also has more information about the White House. So this is definitely a piece geared more for adults and older kids who enjoy architecture. In terms of the architecture, it was a good build, but not really one for kids because there's not a lot of playability. Thanks very much. Continue to watch and see what I'm going to build next. Bye.